Listen up channel. Make sure to make a leader rant about Qasim Gondal. Did you know who he is? Basically he has 76 subscribers. And make sure to expose to Qasim Gondal. He will never handle of a criticism. Before to start a battle with YouTube channel, including violated and violent, they will turn into the community service. And make sure be careful. Your channel will be disliked. And the YouTube channel including David Cat Roblox, Damon Merrick 3 Pedrosa 13 and Before happen. And dislike bombing him for the once. And before to start a war. Stay tuned.